Hello, my name is Amanda Snyder. I am from Menifee, California, and I am a mild to moderate special education teacher at Paloma Valley High School, where I am in charge of the Learning Center, where I work frequently with individuals on the spectrum, helping them with assignments they're either not understanding in class or helping them with test taking. Um, I guess one of the things that I'm most proud of so far from this learning experience is I have always been a visual learner, but I found value in in seeing how important it is, how important visual aids are in the classroom, and how much they can impact a student's life. So I use visual supports all the time, and I enjoy doing that. My bucket list that I'd like to do in the next 5 years. We've always just done family vacations local with my children. I would like to take my children on a big vacation.